In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how we can calculate the area of a triangle using the formula half AB sine C. So looking at the formula, there are three main letters that I need to consider: A, B, and C. A and B are lowercase and represent sides. C is uppercase and represents an angle. When labelling a triangle, if I called the angle in the example on the left-hand side in the top right-hand corner A, the opposite side to this angle would be lowercase a. This would be B, and this would be lowercase b. That means that angle 55 would be C, and its opposite would be lowercase c. You'll notice that angle C is sandwiched between side A and side B, and this is important to have when using this formula. So now knowing that A is equal to 9, B is equal to 10, and C is equal to 55, I can substitute these values into the formula and calculate the area of the triangle. The area will equal a half times 9 times 10 times the sine of 55. 9 times 10 is 90, and half it is 45. 45 times the sine of 55, and grabbing a calculator and typing this in and rounding to two decimal places gives 36.86 centimetre squared. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So labelling the example on the right hand side, 12 can be A, B will be 6, and C will be the angle that I've been given, which is 33. So knowing that A is equal to 12, B is equal to 6, and C is equal to 33, I can substitute these values in and calculate the area. So the area will equal a half times 12 times 6 times by the sine of 33. A half of 12 is 6, and 6 times 6 is 36. Grabbing a calculator, typing this in, and clicking equals, and rounding the answer to two decimal places gives 19.61 centimetre squared.